This is Mr. Pereira. He's 46 years old and a senior manager at a bank. His wife, Mrs. Pereira, is 45 years old and manages a family catering business. Their eldest son, Sahan, is 15 years old and their daughter, Sandali, is 12 years old. Like any family, each of the Pereira family members have short-term and long-term goals. Mr. Pereira has been saving to buy a car for his wife. He also has a plan to take the family on a trip during the school holidays. He has a goal of extending the family catering business with better equipment and a larger space. Mrs. Pereira has plans to upgrade the furniture of the house, and she has been saving to donate to charity. Their son wants to start a computer course as soon as he is done with his O-level exams. Their daughter, who can play the organ well, now wants to go to piano lessons. Mr. Pereira has bought a life insurance so that if anything were to happen to him, his family will be taken care of. He uses a company vehicle. He has bought a land as an investment and he has started a higher education fund for his 2 children. Suddenly, Mr. Pereira is diagnosed with stage 2 cancer. He has to sell his land in a rush to finance his cancer treatment and surgery. He cannot attend work for months and he needs to rest and recover. He is compelled to take out money from the higher education fund to continue his post-recovery treatment. His goal of taking his family on a trip and other goals like expanding the family catering business has to be sacrificed. The goals of his wife, son and daughter too has to be compromised. But if Mr. Pereira had bought a Selinco Life policy with all these benefits when he was 30 years old, he could have claimed all these medical benefits at a medical emergency for only a monthly premium of 10,125 rupees. If he had bought health insurance, he would not have to sacrifice his and his family's goals at a medical emergency. He could have focused on getting better rather than thinking about how to finance his treatment. When you protect your life, health and livelihoods, you lay the foundation to a strong and resilient life. Your livelihood is also no longer at risk, but secure regardless of the inherent uncertainties and setbacks that you face along the way to achieve your ambition. This foundation of protection supports everything you build on top. It allows you to secure your livelihood and continually accumulate. It also helps you to meet your financial obligations should you temporarily lose part or all of your income if you are ill, injured or physically incapable of earning it. The high cost of healthcare can deplete assets, increase loans and constrict your monthly cash flow. So planning and organizing your resources is essential. When you are protected, you feel secure and confident about your livelihood, knowing that not even physical limitations can rob you of your income or threaten the security of those you love and depend on your life.